Hello, you're welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to be answering your top most frequently asked question on POPPOLIVE because I've been away for some months now and I see a lot of questions which I promised you in my previous video that I'm going to be answering them. So I have picked the ones that are most frequently asked right now. And in case you are new, you don't know, Poppo is a live streaming platform that rewards its user with amazing incentive and benefit. We use it to make money, to play game, and so many other things. So you can just watch till the end so that in case you are new, I will tell you how you can also join the moving trend. So without wasting much of your time, the first question I have here is from Louis. He said, to start making money on POPPOLIVE, do I have to apply for an agency to make that money? So this video was asked under a comment section of a video that I share how I earn and how much I earn. So you don't have to become an agent to earn that much on Poppo. Becoming an agent is another thing that can add you money on Poppo. Just as I've shared in this video 13 different ways to make money on Poppo, which I mentioned agency. Okay, it's just that if you know you have a lot of people that you can bring to the platform, the work of an agent is just give you a guide on how the platform works and all that. So being an agent is another way, but that is not the only way. You can still earn a lot. Like this morning now, as I just checked, from referral commission alone, I think I saw $14, which is like 14,000 points. I just click on receive. There are people that they are making a lot of money from inviting people to the platform alone. Okay, you can earn up to $14 on one person. I've mentioned that in this particular video, and by the way, all the videos I'm mentioning, I'm going to drop the link to those videos in the description of this video. And if you cannot find the description, you can just ask in the comment section so that I will reply to you with the link to a particular video that you are looking for. The second question we have here is, this person is asking, thanks for this video. I want to know timeline for daily tax. What is the time frame for the daily tax? From what time to what time before the tax disappear if not done? Okay, like I'm a Nigerian, proudly Nigerian. Okay, so in Nigeria here, our time zone is 5 p.m. Nigerian time. So 5 p.m. Nigerian time can be a different time zone to you wherever you are watching. So every zone has their own timing. So you can check Nigerian time to your own time, okay? But how the daily tax is done is this. Let me use Nigeria as an example. So like me right here in Nigeria, once it's 5 p.m. Nigerian time, a new tax will be given to me. So, and that means I have from that 5 p.m. Nigerian time today till 4:59 p.m. tomorrow to complete my tax, okay? So if I decided that this tax that has been given to me, let me just do 30 minutes today after 5 p.m. I can just leave it. Tomorrow in the morning, I can continue. So, but all what they need is ensure you finish your tax before 24 hours. The moment it's 24 hours, even if you have done your tax and you have not received them, your tax will automatically disappear and new one will be given onto you, okay? So the next question I have here is, hello, I just joined your agency. Please, what's next? So for those that recently joined my agency, I've dropped a link to my Telegram, where if you click and go to the Telegram, you see my welcoming message, how to do your tax, how to do your live stream tax, how to do your party tax, how to play games, how to withdraw money, and answer to most of your frequently asked questions. So I have built a system by the grace of God that successfully run even while I'm not there. All you need to do is to just pay attention and follow it one after the other. I have 90% of people that have joined my agency. I do not have one-on-one conversation with them, but based on what I explained here and following this step in my Telegram group, that is how to get by. So the moment you have signed up and you have joined agency, you are to start performing your tax. Add our agency logo, start performing your tax, do your daily live stream, do your party tax, receive your point, learn how to play game, learn how to gamble and other things that we do on the platform. So the next question I have is here. I have invited people, didn't get any reward. I guess that's what she means, that she has invited people and she did not get any reward for that. So there is how this invitation thing works. So How to invite people, first of all, on the Poppo platform is when you go to your home page, all you need to do is click on invite as seen in this video, and I've explained again. I will link the video around here where how to invite people. So if you click on that invite, you copy your link and send to people to use it to download the app. If someone use your link to download the app and the person did not sign up immediately, it will not count for you. So ensure that, remind people that the moment they download, they should please sign up immediately. And in case you want to learn how to teach people how to sign up, you can use this my video to show them how to sign up on the POPPOLIVE app. The next question is, please, I can't receive my tax on Party Life. I don't know the reason. Okay, there is something that a lot of people don't know. Before now, even when you if you join, like both new streamers and old ones, you do 1 hour live stream and 2 hour party tax. So but the system has changed now. If you come and you are new, the first 1 week you will be given the bonus that you will do 2 hours party tax and 1 hour live stream, and your 1 hour live stream is 10,000 points, which is equivalent to $1, and then 800 points by 2. All right, that's you'll be getting like 1,600 points for party tax, and then 10,000 points for live stream tax when you are new. So but after 1 week, your party tax will drop to 1 hour, which is 800 points. But then again, it's not as if you cannot do 2 hours. You can do 2 hours, but you will not be able to receive that second hour of the party tax. But in case you want to be receiving even the second hour, that means you have to level up. So but to level up, I have done a video right here that explains what leveling up means, so that you can do a higher tax. But that is totally for those that have at least enjoy the app, know what is happening before you start buying coins to level up. Okay, which will take me to the next question asked by Ibrahim. The person is saying, good morning sis, please, my question is, what can I do if I upgrade today and tomorrow they drop me back? What should I do? So when you come to upgrade, there are a lot of people that do not understand how this app works. Okay, so let me say, like today now, some people, they will do exchange today, 100,000 coins, and then they will leave it 5 days later before they will now do the remaining one, so that it will now take them to maybe 3,000 points per hour. And then the next day, you will see that you have dropped, as if they drop you. They did not drop you. So my advice is this: whenever you want to level up, just level up at once, because whatever points that you receive, it only counts for you for 7 days. So let's say you want to level up, you want to exchange, you need to receive up to 150,000 points to level up to the 3,000 points per hour tax. What you need to do is do the exchange that same day to receive that 150,000 points, so that it will last you 7 days. But if you do exchange of you receive 100,000 points today, 3 days later you now do another one, then you level up, then the next day you see that it has dropped, because the first 100,000 you did, it has started counting for you, even though you have not leveled up to that same level. In case this is a bit confusing, I have done a detailed video explaining to you that, so you can do well to watch that video. The next question is, I use your link to download the app, but I'm not in any agency. When I try to join an agency, they are asking me to provide an agency ID. Please help me, my sister. Okay, so to join agency, I've done a video on that, but this is again how to join agency. If you come, you can join agency in 2 ways. My agency ID is 3557180. So when you click on if you go on your home page on the Poppo, you are going to see my agency. When you click my agency, you will see join agency. When you click on that join agency, you will now drop my ID 3557180. That's one way. Another way, again, in case you did not see my agency on your dashboard, you can just click on settings on your Poppo app. Then you click on join agency, and then you drop my ID there, 3557180, and the moment you put it right, you are going to see my name, IJAPARI Gang, and then you join the agency. So the next question is, I am new. Kudi, I believe it's Kudi Dynasty. Kudi introduces your page in our group. How much will I get from my daily tax and when can I withdraw it. Okay, so you're welcome. Thank you so much, Kudi. Thank you for mentioning me in your group. I greatly appreciate that. And sis, you're welcome. So your daily tax is, when you join new, the first 1 week, you'll be getting 10,000 points per hour, and 10,000 points is equivalent to $1. And then your party tax is 2 hours, and you'll be getting 800 points per hour. So I have done a video on how to do your tax. I'm going to link it again in the description of this video so that you will learn how to do that. And then for you to be able to withdraw, you must accumulate up to $10, which is 100,000 points. So if you are new and you're just watching me right now, you want to join, ensure that the moment you sign up, you join agency, you download the app, immediately you sign up, you join agency and start your live stream. But some people, when they join, they already start, they will not be doing their tax, so you will mix that welcoming bonus. Because if you stand up immediately, you start getting 10,000 points for the first 1 week. Some people 3 days, and so on and so forth. So 100,000 points equivalent to $10. That is when you can withdraw. And again, I've done videos on how to withdraw both to your Naira account or to USDT, to dollar, that's dollar crypto. Okay, so you can watch that video to learn how to withdraw as well. Okay, the next question is, please, I invited someone to join the app using my link, but I did not get reward. Why is that? The reason why you did not get reward is because as you invite the person did not sign up immediately, and the person did not go on to do their tax. So even if someone download with your link and the person did not sign up, it's not going to count for you. So the person need to download and sign up immediately so that it will be recorded for you. So these are the questions. Let me not repeat, because these are the questions I'm able to extract. So if I have not answered any of your questions and you have a very important question, you can ask in the comment section of this video. Now on to those that are watching me for the first time, or they are hearing about Poppo for the first time. Okay, so on the Poppo app, we use it for live streaming. We do different tasks to accumulate coins, and that coins can be transformed to points. We get both coins and points, and I have done 7 ways to get free coins on Poppo, right? So you can also watch that so that you can learn. So we play games, we do party, we go for panel, and we do so many amazing fun stuff on the Poppo app. Okay, in the description of this video and in the comment section, I'm going to drop a link that you can sign up. If you click download the app immediately, sign up, join agency, and add my agency logo. The link to my Telegram channel is in the description of this video. You can join and you are going to see all the most frequently asked questions, all the videos that I've done about Poppo Live and all that. So thank you so much, and hope to see you in my next video. And in the description of this video, again, I'm going to drop links to other apps that you can use to make money on the internet. Bye.